Today in front of me Samsung Galaxy S22 and I'll show you how to add and remove home screen widgets on this device. So first you should select the screen where you want to add the widget. For example, I'll go with this one or with this one, that's the matter. And now just hold for a while your device screen with your finger, and here you'll see the widgets icon. Click here and now you can see all the available applications and different just types of the widgets here. For example, we can go with the clock one. Here we got these three different clocks here, and we can select one from this clock. For example, we can go with this one. Just hold for a while and drag this widget, for example, on the left upper corner. By this way you can change the size of the widget, you can make it bigger or smaller, and also we can add here one more widget by the same way. For example, this can be the calendar, and here we got also 4 different types of the widget. That can be, for example, the calendar shadow. Hold for a while the widget and drag it here. By the same way we can make this widget smaller or bigger. Also we can move the widgets between the screens. Just hold for a while and drag it to the another screen, or also we can create a new screen with the widget by this way. And if you want to just remove the widgets, you should hold for a while and click here to remove icon. And by the same way we can delete the second widget. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.